Everyone, this is K. Jainsai from Computer Science and Engineering B section. My roll number is 20951A0564. Today my topic is Oracle adds Java Management Services to its cloud infrastructure services lineup. What is Java Management Services? Java Management Service is a reporting and managementing service with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure platform. It enables you to use the Oracle Cloud to observe and manage the use of Java in your enterprise. And what is infrastructure? Cloud infrastructure is a term related to cloud computing, which seems to contradict a central principle of cloud services, namely that cloud services are typically provided offsite as a fundamental part of cloud technology design. Oracle introduced a new cloud native infrastructure service this week for the management of Java runtimes and applications both on premises and in the cloud. The new Java Management Services JMS, now generally available, was designed to present a single pane of glass for managing Java developments across the enterprise. By providing continuous insight based on telemetry data from the Java virtual machine, the JMS enables the analysis of a range of security, performance, compliance, and efficiency metrics. The JMS joins a long lineup of complementary cloud services that makes up Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. These services provide a set of capabilities for building and running a wide range of applications and services in the OCI environment. OCI offers high performance computer capabilities as physical hardware instance and storage capacity in a flexible overlay virtual network that is securely accessible from an on-premises network. JMS was designed to track Java usage running on OCI on desktops, laptops, and servers, as well as third-party cloud services. It monitors the Java development kit, Java runtime environment, and GraalVM. A Java agent installed on the managed instance collects Java usage telemetry data. The telemetry data is stored in the customer tenancy for privacy protection. There is no Oracle access beyond processing the data. Billing itself as the technological steward of the Java ecosystem, Oracle played up the near ubiquity of the language and platform for cloud developing and development in this soft launch, pointing to an estimate 30 billion active cloud JVMs and more than 50 billion total JVMs globally. Writing in a post about the JMS release, Alexandra Huff, director of Oracle's Java Global Marketing Group, pointed to a VDC research finding that projects using Java are 2.5 times more likely to be ahead of schedule compared to non-Java projects. With Java's ubiquity and broad usage come significant management challenges, Huff said. Java Management Service is designed to bring relief in this area and many others. The JVM is an included feature for Oracle Java SC customers. Although it provides at no additional subscription cost, customers running it are billed for any usage beyond the OCI monitors free tier, which supports several hundred million data points, the company says. So that's all for my topic, and thank you.